everybody, Kemcho. My name is Medhansh Mehta. I am a resident of Mumbai and a grade 5 student in Euroschool Airoli. Let me start with the project that I made last year for the Microsoft Imagine Cup Earth competition. This was a global competition meant for students in the age group 6 to 18, which involved making a game, an app, or a simulation. I made a game using Project Spark. I called my project Let There Be Light. I basically got the inspiration from the project idea, which refers to the prosperity of a city to the number of lights it has. I have added a new dimension to it, which is the need of the hour, sustainable development. The goal of the game is simple: to achieve a certain degree of prosperity, that is 1500 coins in 5 minutes. After every 500 coins earned, the city brightens up as the number of lights increases. I have used the air quality index data to denote pollution levels in a particular game. The game begins with a build menu where you get to choose what you want to build along with the setup cost and the pollution level of a particular option. As you continue building farms, factories, etc., the prosperity of the city increases. Sounds simple, right? But wait for the catch. The game progresses in such a way that certain rash choices like using pollution causing energy resources or not having enough greenery may temporarily make a city reach faster, but at the same time, hazardous air quality leads to untimely shutdown. On the other hand, an only agriculture-based economy grows very slow and the player cannot achieve the target prosperity in desired time. It is only when we balance industrial growth, agriculture, and pollution control that the game allows you to reach the target prosperity level. The message that I intend to spread across is that an economy prospers only if mankind strikes a balance between its rate of growth and the ecological welfare of our planet Earth. So, this entry won me second prize in the beginners level of the Microsoft Imagine Cup Earth competition. And then this happened. Microsoft had organized an event in Delhi called Tech for Good Ideas for India, graced by the presence of Mr. Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. I was invited to the event to showcase my winning entry. I also had the opportunity to present my game to Mr. Nadella in person. Needless to say, this experience was very inspiring for me. So, this 1 year on, I've been tinkering with ideas, and here's what I've been up to. This last year, I discovered the wonderful magical world of Harry Potter. I read from books to 1 to 5 and I enjoyed reading every minute of it. In the meantime, I was also learning how to code in Cube 64. So I thought, why not mix up both these interests? So, I created a text adventure game in Cube 64 set in Hogwarts, populated with all my favorite Harry Potter characters. You as a player get to go from room to room in Hogwarts, examine rooms, pick up objects, interact with characters, etc. to solve a mystery. I really enjoyed making this game. After reading the Harry Potter books, I thought, which book do I read next? So, I thought, wouldn't this must be a question that all book lovers must be facing, isn't it? After completing one series of books, hunting for the next book that thrills? Wouldn't it be great if you could get book recommendations based on a book that you have previously read and loved reading? So, solving this problem became my summer vacation project, a Facebook Messenger bot that can recommend books to you. I used Google's API.ai for its natural language processing and machine learning abilities. I also found a site called tastedive.com that can recommend books to you. So I use its API along with many other APIs like ISBN DB and Library Thing to get extra details about the books, including the book cover images. So, what have I learned from these experiences? 3 simple things. Create for fun. I strongly believe in this. Not everything that you do is for competitions or scoring high marks in exams. The best creative work is only done when you do it for yourself, to please yourself, to tell yourself that you can do it, that you can bring your ideas to life. Use online resources, my most reliable source for bringing my ideas to life. If you are fortunate enough to have access to the technology and the web, all you need to do is reach out and search for tutorials, step-by-step guides, etc. and you can build anything that you want. Learn by doing. I believe that the best way to learn is to directly take up lunch and start building. As you learn by doing instead of going through days altogether of courses before you type your first line of code. I would like to end this from a famous quote by Steve Jobs. If you love what you are doing and if you have the confidence, you can do anything that you want. That is all that I wanted to share with you. Thank you. You have been a great audience.